Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Midaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the EEDSPS 90100 login parameter is empty or not a valid error message you're receiving on your computer, especially when you're trying to sign into your Microsoft account and say, "Sorry, but we're having trouble assigning you EEDSPS 90100 login parameter is empty or not valid." So, the main cause for this error is an outdated cache and cookies on your browser. O paano ba natin ito i-fix? And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So, all you have to do is to open up on the Edge browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, and then kailangan mo lang i-click yung tatlong dot. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung privacy and search and services. Click mo lang yan. And then dito sa right sides ay scroll down ka lang at hanapin natin yung delete browsing data. Okay? So scroll down and then locate natin yung delete browsing data. Okay? And then ito na siya. Alright? So ang next step, dito lang sa pinakauna, ito yung clear browsing data now. So dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong choose what to clear. So click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong delete browsing data. So meron dito sa kanyang time range. So click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito kung anong time range yung gusto mo. Kung last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, or 4 weeks, or all the time mga kaibigan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung cookies and other site data. So uncheck natin yung iba. Uncheck. And then ang sisinik lang natin ay cookies and other site data. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong clear now. Yes. So once na-select mo na yon, and then next step ay close lang natin itong Microsoft Edge browser. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa search for apps, kailangan mo lang i-type yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down at dito lang sa advanced network settings, kailangan mo lang yan i-click. And then dito sa advanced network settings, ang next step ay dito lang sa more settings, and then under nito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network reset. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then, makikita mo kaagad dito yung network reset. So this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall and other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click to reset now. So click mo lang yan. And then pop up ito na network reset. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click to yes. Okay? So after dito sa network reset ay close lang natin. And then if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, type mo lang yung control panel. And then click mo na dito yung open. And then next step, dito lang sa category, click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung large icon. And then dito sa large icons ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung programs and features. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa programs and features, ang kailangan gawin natin dito ay kailangan lang i-locate yung affected apps. Okay? So once nakapag-select ka na dito yung affected apps, so ang gagawin mo lang ay kailangan mo lang i-click yan or right-click. And then select mo lang dito change, uninstall, or repair mga kaibigan para ma-fix yung problem. So select mo lang dito uninstall, change, or repair. Okay? So ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix error EEDSPS 90100 login parameter is empty or not valid. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.